Ever wondered why summer often seems like the arch nemesis of your skin? Well, the sun's out, and so are a myriad of skin problems. Oiliness, acne, dullness, you name it. But fear not, this year we're going to help you tackle these issues head-on with ingredients that are likely already in your pantry. So next time you're headed to the kitchen for a snack, grab a bowl and get ready to whip up some simple homemade face packs. Here are 5 DIY summer face packs that you should start using today. First up, we have a blend of multani mitti and rose water. As the mercury rises, so does the oil on our skin. Multani mitti, or fuller's earth as it's also known, is a time-tested ingredient that's perfect for tackling this oiliness. Here's how to use it. Mix 2 tablespoons of multani mitti with a few spoons of rose water, adjusting the consistency to your liking. Apply this mixture to a freshly cleansed face and neck, and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Not only does this pack control oil, but it also removes dirt and grime from your skin. Next, we have a potent combination of besan, haldi, and cucumber juice. This mask brings together the best of your kitchen staples to combat greasiness, dehydration, acne, and inflammation. To make this pack, mix a spoonful each of besan and haldi in a small container. Grate half a cucumber and squeeze out the juice, adding it to the dry ingredients to form a smooth paste. Apply this paste to your clean face and neck, leaving it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with water. Our third face pack involves rice flour and yogurt. Rice is renowned for its skin brightening properties and is a staple in Korean skincare. To make this pack, mix 2 spoons of rice flour with a spoon of yogurt to form a smooth paste, ensuring there are no lumps. Apply this to your clean skin and leave it on for 10 minutes. For dry skin, you can leave it on for longer. To exfoliate, gently rub your skin in circular motions, then rinse off with water. Fourth on our list is a mix of turmeric and honey, both of which are rich in antioxidant and antibacterial properties. This blend is perfect for tackling those pesky summer pimples. To make this pack, mix 2 spoons of turmeric with a spoon of honey, then apply this mixture to your face. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse off with water for refreshed and moisturized skin. Last, but certainly not least, we have a blend of sandalwood powder and milk. This mixture is a skincare superstar, fighting acne-causing bacteria, soothing sunburn, removing suntan, exfoliating skin, and reducing signs of aging. To make this pack, mix 1 or 2 spoons of sandalwood powder with 2 spoons of milk to form a thin paste. Apply this to your clean skin, leaving it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with water. And there you have it, 5 DIY summer face packs to help you combat common summer skin problems. Easy to make and even easier to apply, these packs offer a myriad of benefits, from oil control and acne reduction to skin brightening and exfoliation. So why wait? Start your journey to healthier, happier skin today. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such tips and tricks.